we will be looking for improving our trades. Maybe I will be putting the trades of the last week. It hit a stop loss at night. I am alone, like Assalamu alaikum family, hope you are all doing well. 14th of July, new week is about to start, and I am just figuring out that I'm going to implement new things for this week because I really need it. We're gonna have to track as many things as possible. क्यों? क्योंकि ये ज़रूरत होती है हमारी ट्रेडिंग अच्छी जाए. हर चीज़ की जानकारी ज़रूरी होती है A से लेके Z तक. That we are doing trading, लेकिन we have to know why we are entering in this position, and most importantly कि उसमें हमारे emotions क्या होते हैं, क्योंकि 99% of the things that matter in trading is psychology. So yeah, let's start this vlog. Donald Trump was attacked by a 12-year-old guy जो कि उसी दौरान वो already kill हो गया, and so it was really scary, you know, that in 2024 this thing is happening. लेकिन उसने यूनाइटेड स्टेट के लिए बहुत कुछ किया. ऑब्वियसली कहाँ से कहाँ लेके गया, और जो बाइडेन है वो कहाँ से कहाँ लेके गया यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स को. वी गोना टेक दिस न्यूज़ in the charts and we're gonna analyze the news of this week. On Monday we don't have nothing, just Empire State Manufacturing Index USD के बारे में जो कि negative है, लेकिन it is a little bit positive in comparison of -6. Then we have Powell speak again at 6 p.m. Tuesday को we have CPI of CAD and Canadian coin जो कि probably is going to go up. Then we have retail sales of USD that is positive and another is negative, so maybe we have many volatility here. Then we have on Wednesday we have CPI of NSD New Zealand coin जो कि हो सकता है कि ऊपर जाए, ठीक है, क्योंकि इनकी इन्फ्लेशन नीचे आ रही है. And then we have GBP जो कि उनकी भी CPI नीचे आ रही है, that is a good percent, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में GBP के जो इंटरेस्ट रेट है वो नीचे आए, ठीक है. इसका मतलब कि कॉइन भी नीचे आ सकता है. वी हैव लेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इसका मतलब है कि कम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. और वी हैव अन हाई अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, मीन्स के ज़्यादा लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे, 4.1%. देन वी हैव GBP claim and coin change that is less, that means the coin will be up. And then we have interest rate of euro that will be maintained on 4.25%. We have unemployment rate 229, that means के हो ज़्यादा लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है. 7,000 people are now unemployed. So let's see how it's going to react on USD. Then we have GBP retail sales that is negative, and we have CAD Q retail sales that is negative and negative. What I will be expecting for this week? For this week I will be expecting two things. Firstly, I will be waiting for this short जो पहले खुल गया, ठीक है. अगर ये पहले खुल गया तो we will be looking for this position, this one. We will be looking for this one, and then if this hit before Thursday, we can be looking again and we will have this movement. That will be my analysis for this week. Simple. ये कोई चैनल नहीं है जहाँ मैं आपको एडवाइस देता हूँ कि कौन से ट्रेड लेने हैं, कौन से ये नहीं ट्रेड लेने. ये मेरे पास आइडिया है और मैं आपको ये कभी भी नहीं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप मेरे अंदाजे से आप ट्रेड लो, ठीक है. आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर दिस शॉर्ट एंड देन द लॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ CPI दिस वीक अच्छी है, तो आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर दैट. अगर नहीं आई विल बी, अगर ये नहीं पोजीशन रहा तो मेरा दूसरा यही पोजीशन होगा कि ये बिल्कुल खुल के ये नीचे आ जाए. देन वी हैव यूरो USD में ये शॉर्ट जो कि अभी तक, क्योंकि आई हैव टू अकाउंट्स, वन इज़ अ फंडिंग अकाउंट एंड देन इज़ माई पर्सनल अकाउंट, एंड आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर. फर्स्टली ये शॉर्ट ले लिया, लेकिन दूसरा शॉर्ट अगर लेना हुआ तो दिस इज़ द करेक्ट पॉइंट कौन से, जो कि इधर हो सकता है एंट्री. हाँ, ये बिल्कुल वी कैन बी लुकिंग फॉर दिस सेकंड ट्रेड. ओके. GBP NSD वी कैन से GBP NSD का दो तरीके हो सकते हैं. पहले एक लॉन्ग ले सकता है, बाद में एक शॉर्ट ले सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे मैंने आपको बताया है इस कैलेंडर में वेडनेसडे को वी हैव CPI ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड, ठीक है, जो कि कम आता है. हो सकता है कि ये पीछे से जाके ये शॉर्ट ढूंढे, ठीक है, और उसके बाद फिर लॉन्ग ढूंढे. Last week, Jumme ko, something I didn't comment in the last vlog. There was some manipulation because the Bank of Japan interference by selling his dollar and try to inject in the yen. So इधर बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि इधर जब मैनिपुलेशन कर रहा था ना, ये 3 बज रहे थे तकरीबन, हाँ 3 बजे थे और मैं खाना खा रहा था. अगर मैं होता तो मैं ट्रेड ज़रूर लेता, लेकिन 2 दिनों से मैं अपना ना वो सब्र कर रहा था क्योंकि ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता अपने इमोशन को कंट्रोल करना, और मैंने कुछ नहीं रिस्क लिया. बट लेट्स सी दिस वीक क्या होता है. वी गोना फिनिश our preparation of the week now. I will take my coffee and nothing else. See you tomorrow. हेलो मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? जैसे मैंने आपको कल बोला था संडे को, I want to try to improve each and every week about my trading skills, my psychology, my discipline. मेरा दिल करता है ये लोग जो मोटरसाइकिल चलाते हैं ना, उनको ना, मैं क्या कह रहा था, I create this long time ago, लेकिन मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया. इसलिए यूज़ नहीं किया क्योंकि I consider I can't be disciplined at all trying to write down all the trades I took. बट एक मोमेंट आता है जब आपको ये चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं ताकि आप इम्प्रूव कर सको, सारी चीज़ें नोट कर सको. एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ put in Excel for you is better for you, for nothing else. Since this week I will be putting down all the trades. This is my promise. In fact this is already in YouTube, लेकिन आपके लिए बेहतर होगा क्योंकि आप मुझे भी कह सकते हो कि तुमने लिखा नहीं. ठीक है, we will be looking for improving our trades. Maybe I will be putting the trades of the last week. We can analyze all the trades and ज़्यादा आसानी होगी. Let's see. और बस आज की शुरुआत से करेंगे. Today is 16th of July. We hit our first stop loss of the week. It hit stop loss at night. I was expecting to have a small range and took this first buy, but it go directly up, creating new highs, and it disturbed me. But we will be looking for another short on Wednesday because we have on Wednesday, as you already know, we have CPI of Euro. I am speaking Spanish and English and Urdu all together. Tomorrow we have CPI of GBP and Euro. Let's see how it's going to react. And also we have some news about Audi. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna see what is going to happen. 1 minute left for the news. Let's see what happened with the price action. Five seconds to go. Let's see. CPI was bearish. Wow. Look at that. Euro is going down. Euro is going down. GBP USD is going down. Euro is going up. I don't know why it's manipulating so much this week. USD card is going wild up. It's a good news because the sales comes very good. It was way much better than what they predict. So they are very good news. Let's see what happened. It's time to have some lunch. I'm really hungry. I just came from the gym and I straight came to the charts because I almost arrived at the news time. And for me it's important to see what happened in the market and then to wait for the beginning of the New York. Well, 17th of July, Wednesday. We're about to talk about the CPI in New Zealand that happened this past night. We have 0.4 and 3.3 in comparison on the forecast. That was worse than the forecast. So in this case, we wanna jump into the NSD USD. As you guys can see, we have this wild moment last night. NSD CAD, and the chef. So in the beginning of the week I marked this analysis. Let's see what happened. It's going well, but I'm not trading at all. Then we have the CPI of GBP that only have the best result is 2.0. This is a good sign for the Bank of England to reduce the interest rate. So the interest rate will be cutting, I think, soon. I don't know. The last week of July we have the interest rate of GBP. Let's see if they cut the 5.50%, and that was the wild moment. Still GBP NSD had this because we have in the morning at night, sorry, we have GBP NSD, we have the CPI of New Zealand, and then we have the CPI of GBP in the morning. And lastly but not less important, we have the CPI of Euro that was same as the forecast. So the impact of Euro USD, it took our stop loss in this case that I had since the last week. So unfortunately it was not the good start of the week. We have two stop loss, we have one stop loss here. I am not in this position, but let's see what happens. If this react good, we will be looking for some sorts for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have the interest rate of Euro. The last 15 days of July, they say that it's the worst day for taking trades, and yeah, and this is something that is happening right now to me. 2 weeks of losses, something very difficult to manage, we can say, because of the psychology, but we know that if we trust on our strategy, we just wait for the good entry point and the exit point, and we will be looking to do the same thing until the good result came back. And bad result तो आते जाते रहते हैं, but क्या कहते हैं, good result भी कभी ना कभी आएंगे ज़रूर. We are in the New York session, Euro out. We just hit our entry point because of this candle, and we took this trade because this is my strategy told me that I have to enter in this point. So here we are just waiting, because tomorrow we have the interest rate. Anything can happen in trading, so we will be looking for the best. It's look like I am back in Pakistan. It's too hot right now. It's 32 degrees, and I was waiting for a bus, and the bus just came by and didn't stop. I don't know why. That fat guy, I don't know why he didn't stop. But I was waiting in the stop, and I make a signal, and he was like, okay. He went by. So it was like, look at the good weather. It is too hot. Good morning. It's 18th of July. We are just in the day of the interest rate of Euro. I'm gonna be honest with all of you. I removed the stop loss because I was thinking that it's going to come down, and I was pretty sure about that. In fact, I was like risking 1.2% in this operation because I had this stop loss right over there. So I thought I will be risk more, and I will be waiting for a good risk ratio. But in this case, in the morning, while we had some good news for out of talking about the employment rate and the how many people are working right now, and it was a good result for out, so out went up. Here is the news at 3:30, and then if you look same in here, let me if you look right there, you can see the positive reaction in our USD and the negative reaction in our AUD, and I closed the position in my personal account. I am not trying to impress anybody. I am not trying to impress myself. You guys can see I just also changed my setup. That was the light. I was trying to figure it out. I am trying to do this good setup. I don't know where I will be putting the camera in the future. Maybe there, maybe there. I don't know, I have a lot of things to do, lot of things to set, but I just want to do this video quickly on 18th of July. Nothing changes. There is no volatility at all. I think if we break this line, we will be coming down, and it's going to affect euro out to my pair, to my favorite pair. Today is Friday, last day of the week. We have an amazing week, we can say, but unfortunately it was not as I expected. In the beginning of the week we have this operation that was in USD chef. This is not the pair I used to trade. बहुत clear होना चाहिए trade setup ताकि मैं entry करूँ, लेकिन it was not my trading point. GBP USD is coming down after breaking this line, so we hope that is going really down. It was a wild moment. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, इधर से 91 pips, not that bad. Euro USD will have this short over there, but I didn't take this trade, but it hits totally trippy. Well, euro out, as I comment you, I was totally sure that it will came down after hitting this stop loss. I have these two options, and as you guys can see, none of them was completed, so we're gonna remove these two trades. We hit this stop loss and we have our minus 1%. We have this two operation, we almost lost 0.7%. Nothing to worry about it. I am convinced that this month will be a good one. In the beginning of this month we have 2-3 TP in GBP USD. Let me know if you all are enjoying seeing this type of content. अगर किसी को नॉलेज मिल जाए ट्रेडिंग के बारे में, और पैसे कमा सकता है पाकिस्तान बैठ के, तो क्या ही बात है, मर्द हो या औरत, it doesn't matter. So see you in the next vlog. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा and अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye bye.